The number of homes for sale in San Diego County continued to rise last week as new listings jumped up and pending sales declined for the fourth week in a row. Hang out for a few minutes and I will show you what's been going on. Hello and welcome to everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. If you're new to this channel, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these updates. Let's jump right into what's been going on. We are getting very, very close to the 5,000 mark as far as inventory goes, and that has been over the last couple of years, well, really since the summer of 2022. 5,000 has been a mark that when we get there, prices tend to start softening up. I'm not saying that's exactly what's going to happen this time. However, we are heading there. And the number of pending sales has been going down each week for the last 4 weeks. And that is not really what you want to see if you're a seller or a potential seller in San Diego County. The number of homes for sale has been increasing since January 1st, and that was expected. And we do expect a little surge or even a big surge going into spring. However, sellers are getting off the block and putting homes on the market. And so far, at least over the last 4 weeks, buyers have not been responding. And why is that? Well, looking at interest rates, they're down a little bit over the last 7 days and have been down this year overall. However, they're still at 6.65, and with the median price over $1 million for a single family home, that makes affordability very, very challenging. So, if buyers respond to continued rate decreases, we should see the number of pending sales increase, although sellers are also going to respond to rate decreases as there is a ton of pent-up demand. A lot of people may not realize this. However, I have been a realtor in San Diego County for over 20 years. I think 21 point whatever number of years it's been. So I have a lot of experience with the market going up and the market going down. And I tend to look at things in a fairly analytical way. And so what I'm seeing now is similar to what we've been seeing over the last few years. Inventory comes up and then sales pick up and gobble it up. Inventory comes back down. We've been vacillating between 3,000 and 5,000 homes on the market since the summer of 2022. The other thing, however, that we are also experiencing is a very long period of price increases. And as everybody who studies financial markets know, what goes up must come down. And we have definitely had a series of, call them miniature corrections over the last few years since 2022. Prices rise in the first and second quarter and fall in the third and fourth quarter and so on. However, the trend has definitely been up. So is this the moment that breaks the real estate market? Nobody can really tell you for sure. I certainly can't. However, what I can tell you is with rising inventory, buyers have more choices. And when buyers have more choices, prices soften up because buyers are not as willing to go crazy and overbid on properties. And again, that being said, we've seen really strong list to sale price ratios over the last few weeks. So right now, buyers are on average paying 99% of list price. However, those are the properties that are selling. There are a lot of properties, obviously, because the number of homes on the market keeps going up. There are a lot of properties that are stacking up more and more market time. So what does this all mean? We will just have to wait and see. For right now, I would say pay attention if you are thinking about putting a home on the market in San Diego County this year, because the number of homes on the market continues to increase. And right now, the number of pending sales is going down. So will buyers follow sellers into the spring surge, or will things remain flat? Only time will tell. Send us a message, give us a call if you have any questions. We're always happy to talk to you. And until then, just remember to like, share, and subscribe to this content so we can keep bringing you more of it. We will be back soon with more great real estate information. Until then, have a great rest of your week, a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon.